Introduction to Materials Management. In this course, points will be named with Introduction, Operating Environment, the Supply Chain Concept, What is Materials Management, Supply Chain Metrics. Today, we will talk about an introduction. The wealth of a country is measured by its gross national product, which can be defined as the output of goods and services produced by the nation in a given time. Goods are physical objects, something we can touch, feel, or see. Services are the performance of some useful functions such as banking, medical care and restaurants. But, what is the source of wealth? We have two ways to create wealth. First, is the potential sources such as farmland and forests. Second, is the production function which is needed to transform our resources into useful goods. Who can create wealth more than another? In case of relying solely on potential resources, you will add a single value to the product and therefore will not be high profitability, but in case of production function you will add more values, and this will maximize profitability much more. Remember this quote, add value to create more wealth. Converting raw materials to a form that is of far more value and use to the consumers and they are willing to pay. Japan is a prime example of this. It has very few natural resources. However, the Japanese have developed one of the wealthiest economies in the world. How can we get the most value out of our resources? We must design production processes that make products most efficiently. Then, we need to manage their operations so they produce goods most economically. Managing the operation means planning for resources used in the process such as labor and capital. All are important, but the major way in which management plans and controls is through the flow of materials. So, if the right materials in the right quantities are not available at the right time, the process cannot produce what it should.